What is going on, everyone? Mark here, and I don't have my mic on here actually today, so we're testing the internal microphones out on this camera for the first time. But anyways, aside from that, we are going to be cutting the exhaust off the 240SX, and so we're about to find out how it sounds and everything. We aren't going to be removing the cats due to legal reasons, but eventually I plan on swapping this out with like actually a high flow cat and a nice exhaust system, but for the time being I just wanted to cut off the exhaust for giggles. So anyways, we're gonna do that, and yeah, engineering on how to arc your car up, or lift your car up. Got Hayden here. I actually started on this one.
Put the black piece all the way up. You know what I mean? That black piece, yeah, it needs to be touching.
It's about where this like grill is?
Yes. There you go. Now then.
Well, that makes life a lot easier. I didn't do that last time. I don't like this. Is that it? So, I thought I recorded that whole last bit of me cutting the actual exhaust off, but I didn't. And so now you get to see the aftermath. Just super dark underneath here.
Is it recording now?
Yes. Yeah, it's recording now. So, turn that spot focus off. So as you can see, I cut it there. Cut that little piece off, and the muffler's still there. You ready to hear this thing start up?
Yeah, I'll hold it for you.
All right, let's do this. Get this out of the way. It's gonna sound so hilarious. That's not bad.
Not bad. Not bad.
What do you think?
Sounds good.
I mean, for what it is. Is that like a soot right there, or what is that?
Yeah, I probably just went in there. It's totally cut off. I don't know what that thing is.
What does it look like to you? It's like garbage to me.
I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's just a piece of rubber. Maybe just stop the vibration, maybe.
I guess. As you can see down there, it's just hanging. And that's how you cut off exhaust on a 240SX the redneck way. No lifts, no jacks, just a couple of rocks and a hill.
So much power. Doesn't sound bad.
It doesn't sound bad. It sounds like a little bit like a Honda. You definitely smell the fumes more.
Yeah.
That's with the catalytic converter still on. I just think it's shot. I mean, it's almost 250,000 miles. I think it's probably shot.
Right.
What do you think?
Sounds good for what it is.
Not bad. I mean, last time you rode this, I think it was when we got it the day up.
Yeah.
Just want to hear how it sounds again.
Doesn't sound that bad. they too.
I need to do window tint. Some shocks for sure. The shocks probably need to happen first.
Yeah. We can do some window tint. That'd be pretty cheap.
Yeah. Definitely need window tint.
You cleaned it up real nice though. Looks really good in here.
Oh, I've got to do chemical guys, detail on the carpet. I may wait on that until like spring or something.
Yeah.
Just because it's gonna